Today, we are talking on English words that completely change their meanings when you split them in two. First pair, everyday versus everyday. Everyday, one word is an adjective meaning ordinary or usual. For examples, everyday words, everyday clothes. Everyday, two words, is an adverbial phrase meaning each day. For example, every day is a family day. Now, special notes or facts to remember. In everyday, one word, you can replace everyday with an ordinary or usual without changing its meaning. For example, these are ordinary or usual words. In everyday, two words, you can replace every with each. Example, each day is a family day. Second pair, maybe versus maybe, two words. Maybe, one word, is an adverb meaning perhaps. For example, if we hurry, maybe we can make it to the concert. Maybe, two words, is a verb phrase made up of the modal verb may and the main verb be. For example, the story may be true. Special notes to remember. Maybe, one word, you can replace the term maybe with perhaps without changing its meaning. For example, if we hurry, perhaps we can make it to the concert. Maybe, two words, you can replace maybe with might be without changing the meaning. For example, the story might be true. Now I have here a quick practice quiz to help you master the difference between everyday, one word, and everyday, two words, maybe and maybe. Write your answer on the comment section. Here we go. Everyday versus everyday. Don't let the challenges of blank life get you down. A, everyday. B, everyday. God's mercy is fresh on our side. Every day, every day. I drink my morning tea. Every day, every day. Maybe versus maybe. I'm blank late tomorrow. 2. Blank, it will rain later this afternoon. 3. It blank true, I don't know. 4. Blank, the shops are closed now. That's all for now. Make sure your choice of words match your intelligence. Thanks and see you for more minute vocabulary for your busy brains.